Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, sorry to keep you waiting. Introducing the amazing, the one and only Super Miracle Magician, Mr. Urine.
Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you a super cool magic trick where colors disappear. Are you ready? Look closely, no tricks, no secrets, just real magic. Watch this card. 3, 2, 1, poof. And now, check. 3, 2, 1, oh wow. My clothes changed colors. Wait, they disappeared? Oops. That's a little embarrassing.
Now it's your turn to become a magic artist. Let's make the magic card.
First, get your pattern ready and carefully cut it out with scissors. Don't worry, we're just pretending about the pink wire. Tip: it's easier if you follow the bumpy lines and cut straight. Now cut out the window part. Don't throw it away. After cutting the outside shape, we'll move on to the card that goes inside the window. Bend the pink line gently. Make sure the window and the card line up perfectly. Time to decorate. Use colored pens to draw on the inside card. Start with simple lines, then add lots of color. Want to make it even cooler? Decorate around the window too. Let's add the magic film. Place a clear plastic sheet over the decorated card, then tape it at the top, just halfway, so you can open it like a flap. Now take the edges of your window too, connect the pieces with tape, and wrap it around the back. Next, grab a permanent marker and trace the lines from your drawing onto the clear film. Try not to move it around while tracing. Now here comes the magic moment. Slide the paper card behind the clear film and, wow! The colors vanish. From the front, it looks like just your black lines are there, like the color disappeared. Ta-da! You've just created your very own disappearing color trick. Show it to your friends and amaze everyone with your magical masterpiece. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun tricks and crafty adventures.